The sounds of the water in the Amazon River is therapeutic, but there are some silent invasive species that are lurking beneath the waters, rapidly growing, consuming, reproducing, and becoming one of the biggest threats to local biodiversity.
Golden mussel is one of them. There are many exotic species that enters in the countries. It's common.
Those mussels are now considered a major threat to the Brazilian ecosystem.
The golden mussel makes an impact on the biodiversity. They come to an ecosystem warm, clean, nice, without competitors. So they start spreading. They attach in wood, in iron, in concrete, in rocks, everything.
According to science, this prolific breeder has been advancing north from Argentina at a speed of 240 kilometers per year since the 1990s. The mussels are now within 150 kilometers of the Amazon River basin, which is one of the richest biodiversity hotspots in the world. It's also a nightmare for the power industry, with dams and other equipment being overrun by the mussels. Currently, about 40% of Brazil's hydropower plants are seeing golden mussel invasions. The country's electronics sector is spending roughly $120 million per year to deal with them. Weeding out the golden mussel manually was considered impossible as it requires tons of labor. Pouring chemical products into the environment is not an option as they are banned by the government. Researchers from China's three greatest Brazil are now one of the first to try genetic techniques to alter the golden mussel's fertility and disrupt their population. This is the first time that gene modification techniques are being used to control golden mussels.
This project will help protect Brazil's ecological diversity. It will also improve the country's tourism industry and water treatment by reducing the cost of maintenance. It's a program that wins across several fronts.
The economic impact of invasive species is huge.
The economic losses caused by invasive species globally are as high as $1.5 trillion per year. It is encouraging to try solving ecological problems with cutting-edge technologies. It's hard to predict the chain effect of a tiny change in the nature. We should keep an objective attitude towards it. The specific approach is to strictly monitor and evaluate the real impact, and to find the problems in time.
Scientists have also sought international cooperation in dealing with biological invasion problems, and the root cause of it is globalization. Yu Bokun, CGTN.